Welcome back to NewsRamp Business and Corporate for Thursday afternoon, January 1st, 2026. As always, real news stories with AI narration. Visit newsramp.com for the full articles. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Here we go.
Born into media, Steve Kidd marks 59 years of visibility, offering a unique perspective on what true visibility means. With over 40 years of experience in sales, marketing, and media, Kidd helps experts become best-selling authors by focusing on clarity, consistency, and connection. He doesn't sell hype or shortcuts, but instead helps people become undeniable in a noisy world.
Mailgeek presents Centauri 60 and Centauri 80, the first flagship Hall-effect keyboards with integrated HD OLED display. Mailgeek introduces the Centauri 60 and Centauri 80 Hall-effect gaming keyboards featuring an integrated HD OLED display. The flagship products boast a third-generation magnetic switch system for enhanced performance and stability. With innovative features like dynamic scanning, water ingress alert, and a SuperDock rotary encoder, Mailgeek aims to set a new standard in the custom keyboard market. Learn more on Mailgeek's official website.
Celebrating 20 years of quality concrete driveways in Colorado Springs, Springs Concrete marks 2 decades of excellence in the construction and installation of concrete driveways in Colorado Springs. Known for quality, affordability, and customer satisfaction, the company has built a strong reputation within the community. With a focus on value and quick response times, Springs Concrete is a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their properties with durable and aesthetically pleasing driveways.
Springs Concrete, your trusted driveway builder in Colorado Springs. Springs Concrete has established itself as the best concrete driveway contractor in Colorado Springs, boasting over 20 years of experience in the industry. With a proven track record of building thousands of concrete driveways, the company has earned a reputation for quality craftsmanship and affordability. Homeowners consistently turn to Springs Concrete for their driveway needs, trusting the company to deliver reliable and efficient solutions.
Ford Technology Inc. announces intention to pursue listing of its common shares on NASDAQ Capital Market. Ford Technology Inc. announces its intention to pursue listing its common shares on the NASDAQ Capital Market. If the company's board of directors has approved the strategic initiative aiming to provide enhanced visibility, greater liquidity for shareholders, and access to a broader pool of investors in the U.S. and internationally. Management will engage advisors, prepare required filings with the SEC, and satisfy NASDAQ's listing requirements.
Ethema terminates LOI. Ethema Health Corporation has terminated the letter of intent with Addiction Recovery Care LLC as both parties mutually agreed not to move forward with the partnership previously announced. Company CEO Mr. Sean Leon expressed optimism for the future, focusing on growth in Quintecky. Ethema Health Corporation operates in the behavioral healthcare space, specializing in substance use disorder treatment.
Smart Card Marketing Systems Inc. Year in Review 2025, a year of sustainability, acceleration, innovation, and strategic sector expansion. Smart Card Marketing Systems Inc. concludes 2025 with a focus on sustainability, innovation, and sector expansion. The year saw accelerated commercialization, global deployments, and entry into high-growth sectors like mining, energy, and aerospace. Key achievements include new banking clients, cloud-native deployments, and integration of digital assets. Strategic partnerships, Visa collaboration, and core architecture advancements also marked the year, positioning SMK as a leader in payment technology and digital assets.
Global Tech Corporation is moving forward with the acquisition of Moda in Peli, signaling a strategic shift into global consumer retail. The company's focus on big data and AI aligns with its mission of deploying AI systems and established brands for long-term value creation. The Rural Capital LLC has been appointed as a strategic advisor for the acquisition, emphasizing disciplined execution and shareholder value.
Denton defines its own path. As North Texas grows, Mayor Gerard Hudspeth discusses Denton's intentional growth strategy on the Building Texas show. With a focus on job creation and preserving cultural identity, Denton aims to attract and retain talent. The Landmark Development Project and emphasis on long-term planning showcase Denton's commitment to thoughtful growth. Tune in to the Building Texas show for more insights on building resilient communities in Texas.
TechForce Robotics NGTF reveals beverage robotics platform to optimize efficiency and increase revenue. TechForce Robotics has unveiled a new beverage dispensing robotics system, the BeverageBot, aimed at improving service efficiency and boosting revenue. The system addresses challenges like long wait times and lost revenue due to understaffing during peak hours. Orders for the beverage bot are expected to open in the first quarter of 2026 with plans for deployment at large venues, enterprise operators, and hospitality partners.
Trilogy Metals Inc. NYSE American TMQ committed to responsible development as momentum builds in the Ambler Mining District. Trilogy Metals Inc. is committed to responsible development in Alaska's Ambler Mining District. Through its joint venture Ambler Metals, the company focuses on community engagement, environmental stewardship, and supporting local priorities. With the proposed Ambler Access project gaining attention, Trilogy Metals remains a key player in Alaska's resource development. The company's efforts showcase how partnerships and environmental safeguards can lead to successful large-scale resource development.
DRCR enters a new phase of growth. Deer Cashmere Holding Company, also known as Swifty Global, is entering a new phase of growth. The technology company is focusing on innovative solutions for regulated online markets, providing mission-critical technology for the global online gaming sector. Under the leadership of CEO James Gibbons, the company has evolved into a strong and scalable tech firm. With new regulatory frameworks in Europe, DRCR is restructuring to maximize growth, regulatory alignment, and shareholder value.
Network News breaks. Nutrien Inc. CEO issues shareholder letter highlighting 2025 milestones and 2026 outlook. Nutrien CEO Gareth Sheridan has released a shareholder letter highlighting key achievements in 2025 and outlining the company's conduct priorities for 2026. The update focuses on shareholder value, including a 25% preferred stock dividend, progress in reducing share price volatility, and advancements in the development of Avrastat M fentanyl. Nutrien also strengthened its intellectual property portfolio, completed commercial manufacturing scale-up, and received FDA feedback to support its regulatory pathway.
Fairchild Gold Corp. TSXV FAROTC. FACE HDF positioned to capitalize on the copper supply tightness and resilient gold markets through Nevada Titan Project. Fairchild Gold Corp. is intensifying its exploration efforts at the Nevada Titan Project, strategically positioning the company to capitalize on long-term trends in both the gold and copper markets. Tightening global copper supply has pushed prices up 35% year-to-date, while gold continues to maintain high levels as a reliable store of value. The project, located southwest of Las Vegas, features geological characteristics consistent with a potential porphyry-style system. NVIDIA licenses Core Grok technology in its most ambitious AI move yet. NVIDIA has made its biggest move yet in the artificial intelligence industry by acquiring key assets from AI chip startup Grok in a deal valued at about $20 billion. This strategic move showcases NVIDIA's commitment to leading in the global AI race. As tech companies race to bring advanced products to market, analysts are closely monitoring industry players like D-Wave Quantum Inc.
Investor news breaks. Profound Medical Corp closes $36 million registered direct offering. Profound Medical Corp has closed the $36 million registered direct offering of 5,142,870 common shares at $7 per share. The offering, led by healthcare-dedicated investors, had no warrant coverage. The company plans to use the proceeds for sales expansion, research and development, and general corporate purposes. Koenig Capital Partners, LLC, acted as the exclusive placement agent for the offering. Copper spikes to almost $13,000 as the LME resumes business. Copper prices surged to nearly $13,000 on the London Metal Exchange following the resumption of trading post the Boxing Day holiday. The spike was anticipated after a rally on the COMEX marketplace in the U.S. last week. Tor Metals Inc. and other exploration firms could see increased investor interest as demand for copper rises amidst concerns over aiding mines and tariffs.
Investor news breaks. Strawberry Fields REIT Inc. NYSE American STRW highlights disciplined expansion strategy at NobleCon 21. STRYSE AMRCA. STRW showcased its disciplined growth strategy and focus on healthcare real estate at NobleCon 21. Chairman and CEO Moishe Gubin emphasized conservative acquisitions, predictable cash flow, and long-term stability in the skilled nursing portfolio. With 142 healthcare facilities in 10 states and strong Q3 2025 results, the company's operator-first mindset drives continued growth and long-term stability. Okay, thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.